LotusEye AI is one of the most exciting AI tools to drop recently, and today we're going to cover 7 crucial things you absolutely need to know about it. If you're wondering whether this software can live up to the hype, stick around because we're diving deep into what makes it so special and whether it really is the best new AI software you should be using right now. First, let's address the big question. What exactly is LotusEye AI? At its core, LotusEye is an AI-driven software designed to help businesses optimize their digital marketing strategies. It's built to enhance decision-making, increase customer engagement, and streamline processes using advanced machine learning models. If you've been on the hunt for AI software that can elevate your marketing efforts, LotusEye AI is definitely worth exploring. One of the standout features of LotusEye is its ability to analyze large volumes of data quickly and efficiently. Unlike traditional software that can struggle with big data, LotusEye AI excels in turning complex data sets into actionable insights in real time. This gives you the edge in staying ahead of your competitors and making informed decisions faster than ever before. Another incredible feature is its automation capabilities. Whether it's automating your content generation, email campaigns, or social media posts, LotusEye AI can do it all. This makes it a fantastic tool for marketers looking to save time and cut down on the repetitive tasks that usually take up most of their day. Imagine freeing up hours of your week by simply automating processes with one click. But what really sets LotusEye AI apart from other software on the market is its user-friendliness. A lot of advanced AI tools can be difficult to navigate, especially for those new to the technology. However, LotusEye has a clean, intuitive interface that doesn't require a technical background to understand. Whether you're a small business owner or part of a large marketing team, the simplicity of the software means you can get started without a steep learning curve. LotusEye AI also integrates seamlessly with existing platforms, such as your CRM or analytics tools. This makes the transition to using AI smoother and faster without disrupting your current operations. It's a great solution if you're looking to enhance your current workflows with AI rather than completely overhaul your system. Now, if you're wondering about the pricing, let me assure you that LotusEye AI offers a free trial, which is a huge plus. You can explore all the features and decide for yourself if it's the right fit for your business before committing to anything long-term. In fact, you can try it completely free from the first link below this video. You might be wondering, how does LotusEye AI stack up against other AI tools on the market? Well, one of its biggest advantages is the customization options it offers. Unlike many generic AI platforms, LotusEye allows you to tailor its features to suit your specific business needs. This flexibility means you're not stuck with a one-size-fits-all solution, but rather an AI that adapts to your unique requirements. Lastly, when it comes to customer support, LotusEye AI truly stands out. They offer 24/7 support, which is crucial when you're relying on AI to drive your business. Whether you're facing a technical issue or need help with setting up campaigns, their support team is always ready to help, ensuring you're never left in the dark. So, is LotusEye AI the best new AI software you should be using right now? For anyone looking to improve their digital marketing efforts with AI, it's definitely worth considering. It's a powerful, easy-to-use tool that automates tasks, analyzes data, and integrates with your current systems, all while offering flexibility and top-notch customer support. And remember, after trying thousands of AI tools, I've put together a list of my recommended AI software that you can try for free. Check out the links in the description below to get started.